go in back to a node like this and just take it back.
Well, it's a good thing because we're seeing flowers right now, which means that we really need to get in there and do some tomato maintenance.
Now this isn't going to get much taller than it is right now, but the roses are going to get up to about 4 feet.
Peonies don't hold their bloom very long to begin with, but too much sun and the blossoms will fade very quickly.
Timing is important. You want to wait till after the plant has finished blooming.
I like to put the grass in the back because it's nice and tall and wispy. Then I cut it.
This may seem complicated, but if you can connect a hose, you can attach all of this stuff. If the graft union is below the soil, the roots will send up new shoots to overtake the top plant.
I think I know just the right variety.
Jonathan Shaw.
Capistrano.